topic of mathematics, that is trigonometry. So what is trigonometry and how it is applicable in real life? Let's see. So trigonometry is a Greek word which means tri, which is a 3, gon, which means a side, metry, which means a measure. So measuring of the 3 sides, that is a triangle. Measuring the triangle is a trigonometry. So trigonometry is a study of a relationship between the sides and the angle of a triangle. So next, let's see how it is applicable in real life. So I am going to consider that the students of the school are visiting Qutub Minar. So the one student who is standing in front of the Qutub Minar and looking at the top of the Qutub Minar. So we can imagine this as a Qutub Minar, the student who is standing in front of the Qutub Minar and looking at the top of the building. So here it forms a right angle triangle. Can we find the height of Qutub Minar? Is it possible? So by using a trigonometry, we can find the height of the Qutub Minar. So let's go with a trigonometric ratios. So for that, I am considering a right angle triangle. So I have taken here right angle triangle, right angle at an angle B. So 90 degree at angle B. Now here I am considering A as an angle. So if we consider C as an angle, then the position of the sides will be changes. So here I am considering A as an angle. So let's see, opposite to the angle theta is the opposite side and opposite to the 90 degree, that is a hypotenuse side. Then the side which is the same to the side of angle, then that is the adjacent side. So we know that opposite to a theta is opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse, and the same line which is the adjacent side. So now let's go with an ratio. Sine of angle A. Sine of angle A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. We know that opposite side is what? BC, and hypotenuse side is what? CA. Next, cosine of angle A, that is the adjacent by hypotenuse. So we know that adjacent side, which is adjacent side, BA is the adjacent side and hypotenuse side is the CA. Next one, tangent of angle A. So tangent of angle A is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite side we know that what is that? BC, and then adjacent side is what we know that? BA. Next one, how to remember this one? So by using this trick, it's easy for us to remember. So cato. So SOH, which means the sign of opposite hypotenuse. Next one is a CAH, that is the cos of adjacent by hypotenuse. TOA, that is the tan of opposite and adjacent. So it is easy. By this trick we can easily remember this one. Next one is the cosecant of angle A. So cosecant of angle A is a reciprocal of a sine. So we can write that as a 1 by sine of angle A. Sine we know that opposite by hypotenuse. If we reciprocal that one, hypotenuse by adjacent we can write. And then we are going to secant. So secant of angle A is equal to 1 by cos of angle. That is a reciprocal of cos. So cos what we know, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent what we know that adjacent by hypotenuse. If we reciprocal that one, hypotenuse by adjacent is the value of secant. Next one is a cotangent. So cotangent of angle A is a reciprocal of tan. So we can write that 1 by tan of angle A. So tan what we know, opposite by adjacent. If we reciprocal that one, adjacent by opposite is a value of cotangent. So these are the important ratios of trigonometry. Next one, we are going to see trigonometric ratios for some special angle. So here I have taken an angle 45. So first I have taken an angle 45. For that I am considering one right angle 90 degree at B. Right angle at B. So here I have taken one triangle angle B, that is 90 degree. So next 45 I have taken. So we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So one we got a 90. If we take 145, other side will be also 45. So here I have taken 45 at A, then other side will be also 45. So if we add that one, we will get 180 degree. So we know that in right angle triangle, angle A and angle C is equal to 45 degree. If the angles are same, then the sides are same. So for that, suppose BC is equal to AB, that is the side, is equal to, I have considered one variable here, that is A. We can consider whatever we need. So BC is equal to AB is equal to A. So I have considered one variable A. And then I have written here A and A. So we don't know the other side, that is the hypotenuse. We know the opposite side and adjacent side, but we don't know the hypotenuse side. How to find the hypotenuse side? So here we know the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Here we don't know the hypotenuse side, that is the AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So sum of the square of the other two sides. So now we don't know the AC, so we don't need to write, and AB value. So AB we know that A and squaring that A square. And then BC is also same, so we have to write A square. So adding the two, what we will get? 2A square. Now we have a square on both sides. To remove the square, we are taking a square root on both sides. Now if we take a square root, here square and the root gets cancelled. Root 2 we can't cancel, so root 2 as it is. And A square we have, and square and the root of A gets cancelled, only A will be there. So AC value, what is the AC value, is equal to root 2A. Now we got a hypotenuse side. Now let's substitute in the ratios. So sine of A, so angle A, what we have considered here, 45. So sine 45 is equal to what we know, opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite side, what is the value? A is the opposite side value, and hypotenuse side is what? Root 2A. Here A gets cancelled. What is the value? 1 by root 2 is the value of sine 45. Next, same as a cos 45. So cos 45 is equal to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent side, what we know, that A, and hypotenuse side is what? Root 2A. So here also the A gets cancelled. The cos 45 is also the same, 1 by root 2. Next one, tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to what we know, opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent is equal to what? Opposite side is A and adjacent side is A. A gets cancelled. The answer is 1. So as we know that sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and tan 45 is equal to 1. I hope so it is clear. Thanks for this opportunity.
Guys, I hope आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, सो दैट आपके लिए हम फ्यूचर में भी ऐसे इनोवेटिव वीडियोस लाते रहे, सो दैट यू कैन गेट हेल्प फ्रॉम ऑल दीज वीडियो. आई विल सी यू सून इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल दैट टाइम, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. बाय बाय.